Sure, everyone. Hello. Chur brother Cherno, Rayleigh, Pibeko, Meatloaf, Purple Grapes, and Hereditary. Hey, Fanta's here too. Hello, brother. How are you, my bro? Brother Terminator. How you been, my bro? Thank you very much for the 16 months, brother. Sorry, I'm eating chocolate as well. There's another command post under Republic control. Hostile reinforcements are dropping. Chill, brother. How you been, my bro? Much appreciated for the 16 months, my bro. John Kurt, thanks for the biddies as well. Oh, dark chocolate, man. Whew. I'm okay, man. Good to know, my bro. Good to know. Smoke OSC. Oh, I just started. But yes, my bad. I had to take yesterday off because my daughter asked if we could make cake instead. So I said yes. And it was yum. I feel like making a banoffee today. Yo, brother Sop, thank you very much for being here. Hello, brother. Hot as heck here at home. Oh, true. Damn. Bugger that, brother. That's hot as. Thank you for the 16 months though, my bro. That sounds very yuck, my bro. Hey, appendix. Bro, don't ever say sorry, brother. Don't ever say sorry. It's all good. It's all good. Run away moving, taking my exams and watching One Piece. I hope it was more exams and less One Piece though. Bro, you're all good. No need to say sorry for not being here. People can turn up when they want to. I don't expect everyone to be here all the time. Thank you for the 7 months though, brother. Yeah, it was cool as like the cake did not last day. Like we made it, we let it cool down, and bro, it was like a carcass of crumbs on the plate. Like a few minutes later, we made a lava cake. Yeah, so usually because we're still in lockdown, I'll start late, but Mrs. Broxh just said go start if you want. Oh, yeah, all good. So to anyone that's new, welcome to the stream. So we usually catch up first, and then we'll get underway with carving. So that's some there at the back there. So I've just been trying to. So I started the stream earlier, but the bitrate dropped, so I stopped it to go and fix it. Pass my exams. Yo, let's go. Congratulations, appendix. Congratulations, brother. You'll love to hear it. What's the temp today? Oh, it's like cold. Oh, true fans. So do you get like just a sore arm, or do you feel like sick after that? Because I know a lot of people need that extra day to recover after taking the vaccine. Hi Tolly, what's up, family in Broxh? Hey, cheer him, Priscilla. Bro, I'm all good, bro. It was a bit of a hectic day yesterday, being inside. Not really a fan of being inside too long. You feel like you're just in a box. Yeah. Morning, brother Ryan. I'm in shorts. Oh, stabbies, eh? Just make sure the old doesn't fall out, brother. what are you going to carve? So I'm just going to be doing my Tekoteko. The project that I've been carving on the last few streams. I believe Hamlins and Dacorn make their return today, so I'm pretty excited for that too. So they have left TSM and joined Energy, eh? NRG, or however you say it. Yeah, man, that's one thing, that's one fond memory I have with my grandfather when we would go looking for puppies. It's a shellfish, by the way, and I don't know why they like wearing stubbies, short shorts, and then you see the old I was like, come on, bro, I want to see that. For a couple of days, but after that you're good to go. Oh, nice, okay. I remember watching this one girl get her vaccine. It was on TikTok, and they put the syringe in and they pulled it out and the needle stayed in her arm. I was like, ooh, yuck. Bugger that. Ooh, home, get it in you. I had the Astra. First shot, I had headaches, aches in the joints, but Panadol fixed that. Damn, did you take 13 of them and feel like Superman, my bro? Oh, thanks, Claude. You have a good day too. Yeah, no, I played a bit of League last night. Played some League of Legends last night. Do not miss it at all, but it's still a fun game here and there. Like when you don't come across headaches equals blood clotting. No, it just means you're not drinking enough water. This is what it means. Hydrate your brain. So yeah, I was playing a bit of League last night. I've been playing League for a while, on and off, but there was like a period where I took like 5 years off from playing the game. Kia ora whaia. Oh, you're calling me a woman, bro. The speed bag action has me rolling. Yeah, man. So yeah, played some League last night. I'll turn these down now so you can see what we're up to. Played some League last night. Only had like, yeah, it's not as fun anymore. But I only played like 3 games all up. To see how my favourite champions still feel, and they had this thing in the shop, those cards. It's like, kind of like a night market on Valo, and I had to cop Thunderlord Ornn because it was cheap as. It's one of my favourite skins of his too, even though he's only got like 2. Reminds me of Zudomon. Yo, Tilt King, brother. How's it going? Hey, Chur, my bro. Thank you for the 5 months, bro. My mahi. Israel Folau is a legend. Oh, but he's a bit of a drop kick too, eh? Please do not say that. He's a bit of an egg as well. Cheers, brother Tilt King. Cheers for the 5 months, my brother. How's it going? Good, brother. Good. Still in lockdown, my bro, but luckily enough, we can. What I enjoy most is outside. I hate being inside too long, my bro. Like I really want to go for a walk, eh? But because you get stopped by the cops and why are you out and blah blah blah. It's just not worth the the hassle. So I'm just gonna straighten up some things up here, and then we'll get back to it. Focusing more on here, the face down the bottom here. Do you like rugby? No, I love it. He's a bit of an egg. Oh, I can say other things, but hey, I'd rather not. He's a dick, I'll say that much. Yeah, we've been just chilling in our neighbourhood, but I want to do like 10Ks. It's been a bit it's a bit hard with our neighbourhood too. It used to be a good neighbourhood, but now with it's starting to get bad, eh? Since lockdowns started last year. So in a sense, I don't really like letting Mrs. Broxh go for a walk unless I'm with them. Because people try and confront out of the blue now, and yeah, I'd rather be the one standing in front of them myself. Yeah, man, I just want to go for like a walk through the bush, but we can't go to the bush walks here because you have to drive to them and they're not in our neighbourhood. I want to go for a walk as well. Yeah, longies. All good, brother. That's why I've been trying to go hard on the streams like every day since we got into lockdown, because man, it sucks. It sucks. But it's the things we have to do to get rid of the bovid. Because I am definitely over coronavirus. Sheesh! Our lockdown got extended until the 10th of September. Hello darkness, my old friend. Have you gone and spread your legs since that bloody day he announced it, brother? Been spreading the legs every day. I missed out because the bro does he does vintage teas, and he done a lockdown special when it had old Hipkins and that quote on it. Bro, they look pretty cool, but they sold out just like that. Hey, thanks Rugby Rowan. Once True Warriors epic movie? I don't think so. It's sad, because that's how our people are these days, and still are. But it's just telling the truth. Alan 19ist? Sorry, brother. Thank you for the tier 1, my bro. Have a good one, brother. I hope you enjoy your time here. If you have any questions, this goes out to everyone else too. Just ask it. It's all good. This is what we're going to be doing for today's stream anyway, so it's a lot of designing, so we'll start the other side today, and yeah, talking a whole lot. I would say I want to still keep asking you guys about Pokemon Nuzlocke, eh? Like, I've read a few rules, just the fainting thing, you gotta either leave it in your box, your PC storage box, or delete it, and you gotta name them, eh? But I feel like the randomizer makes it more fun. Oh, true shams. Retro. Right, like rugby? Yeah, I watch rugby all the time. Hello, Buck. Cheers, brother. Okay, just looking over this. Alright, Here we go. Let me just fix this nose up. Yo, Fred Duck, cheers for subbing, brother. Much appreciated, my man, and welcome. Yeah, if any of you guys have any questions about what I'm up to, just feel free to ask. At the moment, what we're currently doing is designing this Tekoteko here. Now, this is what this particular piece is called in our native tongue. So what I do is traditional Māori wood carving. And at the moment, we just finished design prepping one side, I would say. Morning, Juice. Morning. And we finished this side, not yesterday, the day before, in terms of like all the cuts that you see. Did you see Just for Kicks on? No, I saw your fella's photos, but my kids weren't letting me do anything last night. Yeah, I saw the photos. Those look pretty good. Everyone is doing the bottom figure is looking great. Oh, Chur Whanau. Yeah, it's looking way better now. So I did change it up a little bit. So normally you can have an eye there. But even in traditional carving, some of them just carve through anyway. That's pretty much something I've seen, and I'm just giving it a go to see what it looks like, eh? It doesn't look too bad. Yo, Quinn vibes. Thank you for subbing, brother, and then you decide to gift the sub as well to Cruise Knock. Much appreciated, my brother. What happens if you make a oopsie? We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. We just carry on, leave it there, give us more character. Thank you very much, brother Quinn, and TJ's All Stars, thank you very much for subbing as well. And then Fred Duck, oh damn, thank you for gifting 5 subs, brother. They went to Nubla, Mewtwo, Snens, and Kia Kaha, and SG Bark. Thank you very much, brothers. God damn. Thank you very much, brothers. Holy cow. Is the belly part going to stay smooth? Yeah, so we'll probably leave it undesigned. Mainly because if you put too much design on it, it will probably get lost within the design. I mean, you can if you want to, but ideally none of the carvings stomachs have been designed ever. Yo, 185, thank you for the 3 months. Long time no see, Mr. Broxh. Glad to see you well. Much love. Hey, thank you very much, yo. Your name reminds me of Shaman King. I was watching it last night. Thank you very much for the 3, brother yo. Hey, thank you, Quinn. And you too, Fred. That's my stepbrother's my half-brother's first name. He hates it when we call him Fred too. Do you make your own tools? No, so I've had my Swiss chisel set since 2014. It's pretty much the thing that helps me with my carvings a lot, brother. So currently I ordered a grinder too. That's thanks to you guys, by the way. It's here, but it's at the airport. Why is it not coming to me yet? Because we're in lockdown. Like they won't take stuff that has come out of like offshore just yet. It's like, come on, man. Because they rang up and, oh, we have a thing here for you. Here, Simi, oh, grinder, Simi. Here, why can't you just deliver it? And then, oh, just because of the rules around the lockdown, I went, bro, I'll gift you a sub to the channel if you deliver it to me, and he laughed and he went quiet and he went, "What do you mean?" I went, "Damn, thought it would work. Never mind." Oh, okay, Fanta. Yeah, the vaccine is out, so at the moment the ones that are getting it are 30 plus, from 30 up, pretty much. Here we go. Yeah, I was watching Shaman King on Netflix. Didn't quite get to that Witcher series because I fell asleep. Three more levels on BC to go, and then I'm capped. What kind of species of wood are you working on? Oh, it's just normal Andy pine. What's up, brother man? Bro, I tried, bro. I was like, bro, carving, gifted sub, can I just have my grinder, please? He's like, I can't, bro. I was like, this conversation is over. Like, all I want is the grinder, bro. And I'll leave you alone. But I've got a few things that are coming offshore as well. So it kind of sucks, man. Like something for the stream setup, along with stuff from the sponsor as well. I know, Auntie Jacinda. No, I can't do that. Good night from Germany. Hey, young scrolls. Loud Squid. Cheers for the sub, brother. Nah, I'm 67 at the moment. Probably do dungeons tonight with the boys. I bought New World last night. I'm going to join Uncle's when it starts up. Oh, nice. I'm not sure if I want to get the game due to how loud my PC got. Yeah, I'm still on the fence about New World. Great game, don't get me wrong, but yeah. Majority of things I did on that game was cut down trees. And there's like a new Valheim expansion coming out, eh? I saw that on the, is it the Gamescom thingy? Have you designed tattoos? No, I've been asked multiple times, but I say, no. I use my hand to split apples now. Yeah, absolutely. Love to see it, brother. Yeah, I've been asked to design tattoos, but I just turned it down. There you go. Let me just get this. Ooh. Ideally, I should not be using a chisel for small designs this size. Hey, congrats, Vali. Congratulations, brother. Finally get to catch you live. Hey, Kurt Rab. Thought that said kebab. Hungry Andy. Nice work as usual. Thanks, brother Vali. Yo, congratulations on hitting affiliate, brother. GG's, man. GG's. Alright. Alright. Hold on, chat. Yeah, well, kia ora, Dirty. Morning. What is this carving called? Is there an ancient story of it? Like the mould? Oh, remove the band? Oh. So this is called a Tekoteko. This particular piece here. So these are the way we, the Māori people, do our three-dimensional carvings. This is pretty much what we did. Similar to a totem pole, as you might see with all the other native races of the world, this is just how we did our own. Now the particular mould itself is known as a manaia. As you can see the head here, not your typical human face. So it takes characteristics from a bird and a human. So obviously the face of a bird and body. These were like the traditional moulds that our ancestors did before the Europeans came along and brought their faiths with them. Some of our people converted to Christianity, and what else ever turned up in the country at the time, and then the influence of Christianity went into carving, and people started carving human faces. Now there are some of our ancestors that did not really like the human face on their ancestral meeting houses, but there are some that actually liked it. But then again, it was just personal preference. Now the mould itself comes from a story of Ruatepupuke and his son, when his son was kidnapped or taken by the sea god Tangaroa for being disrespectful to his children, which are obviously fish. Fishing and not giving the first fish back as an offering for him, saying that he's about to take some of his children, obviously, to eat. And not following these protocols, Tangaroa noticed, obviously got offended by it, and grabbed his rod and pulled him down to the sea and mounted his body on top of his whole being, I should say, on the top of his meeting house, as he slowly started to turn into a carving. So that's what the Tekoteko itself can reference as well. Hey, morning, Steven. Cheer, my bro. Is this sculpture intended? No, this is just a gift for one of the bros. They only said hello. You should have replied with darkness, my old friend. Is the sculpture intended to be... No, yes, so it's not going to be placed in front of a house. This is actually going to be a gift for one of the bros. But he just doesn't know it yet. Have you ever taken part in... I've done many haka throughout my life. Pretty much, my bro. One moment. Used to do it as a job as well. Māori cultural performances. These days we don't really do it because of the COVID. Kind of cancelled our work. What species of wood? Normal Andy pine. Pretty much. It's not the best wood to carve because the grain is kind of arse, but there are methods to make it good. Sharp chisels or even linseed if you like. Or terps to loosen up the grain. Just little hacks. Okay, yeah, so it does change. Because it's Māori, so the haka, to anyone that doesn't know, is the Māori posture war dance. It was done by our ancestors in days of old to help psych the warrior up spiritually, mentally and physically before the ongoing battle ahead. Now ideally what the haka was used for was to try and intimidate your opponents, so much that they would pack their stuff up, turn around and go home, so no battle would take place. But 9 times out of 10, Without people, it just made them more angry, and they fought to the death anyway. So you may see the facial gesture as well, the pukana. Now, yeah, it's to intimidate as well. And basically, if you want to translate the pukana into a language, it's just saying, my mouth waters for you, soon you'll be in here, so in my stomach. So the best way to belittle your opponent back in those days was to eat them, because we all know what happens to food after you eat it. So that's just the way their mindsets used to work in those days. What better way to belittle your opponent by eating them and turning them into a turd, I guess. But that's just the way they used to be. We'd love to play a Māori mythology based RPG. Yeah, if it's done by our people, it'll be good. If it's done by people outside of our culture, then we'll end up with another Mark of Cree, pretty much. That game was shambles. Yeah, man, that game was something else. Wouldn't be a bad way to deal with some Karens. Bro, legit, I reckon if you did the pukana to them, they'll go, he had me! I was that guy one day and watched like a Karen compilation just to see what they do. Man, they do some out-the-gate stuff, eh? Like if they don't win an argument, they'll just start screaming and say, he hit me! And like, what? Really? Interesting way they think. Hey, thanks, Mosquito. Thank you, XYZ. Reminds me of XYZ Dragon Cannon. Okay, chat, this is my question to you guys. Favorite Yu-Gi-Oh card? I remember playing Yu-Gi-Oh with one of my very good bros. And he had the Pegasus deck. And he'd play Relinquished, and he goes, bro, you can't kill him, 0 health. I'm like, what? It doesn't work like that. The blue eyes, whoosh. I thought, I liked Supreme Machine King, because he looked like a gun to me. That's all I can remember, but hey, hands down, I still like Exodia. If you're going to use someone's culture for a game, the very least you can do is get a heap of culture influence. Yeah, hard Fanta. Like this game, Mark of Cree. Oh man, it's bad. It's really bad. Oh, I'll get lower. I remember buzzing out when here's the seagulls making their appearance for the day. I remember watching birds are going hard today. I remember watching the duel where Yugi fights that dude that had the red dark magician. That was pretty cool. Oh, thanks, Rufflecopter. Damn, I haven't heard the name Rufflecopter in a long time. Oof. Going against the green. designing the legs now. You into DBZ? Yeah, man. I think a lot of people my age were into DBZ just as much as I was. To the point where you were writing it as your story project at school every day. To the point where your sister, your teacher gets sick of it because you're like, that's all you talk about, Dragon Ball Z, and I'm like, because it's cool. Hello from Jose and Kim in Minnesota. Hey Jose, hello to you and Kim, by the way, brother. Sounds like a 2 year, so I have tuies like chilling here all the time. It'll be cool if they are. So only the ones that have come close to flying in stream have been the PY Wakas. Have you ever played Neverwinter? No, my mates used to play it, but it wasn't necessarily something I wanted to play because I was playing well. Pretty much. Whew. Bro, hard out, Ryan. Hard out, bro. Next time on Dragon Ball Z, Vegeta's still powering up just like the last week, as he ascends to a new form with no hair change. GG. Yeah, Leroy. I'm in Aotearoa. The power-ups are cool though. And then he gets beamed in the chest. Go. So I'll just do a few of these. How long is the song for? I think I've clicked on a long version. There's only so much of this place I can handle. I never really liked the whale stage on Ocarina of Time. Was not a fan. Hey, what's up, sheep? Whoa, that's the original name too. GG's, man. Shout out to Zora's Domain. Yeah, I did not enjoy that damn, the whale stage. Yeah, the water level was another one. Hey, Maya. Pog Super Extended. Yo, congrats, man. That's something I always enjoy, seeing everyone with original names with no special characters. Thank you for the 17 months, Maya. Hope you and the whānau are well in lockdown. And, yeah, I'm making a banoffee today. I think, what was my favourite stage? I don't know. There's a few good ones. I can't even remember what to do in that game anymore. Yeah, the music is super chilly. The highlight of that entire game for me was definitely the owl. I liked him. we go. Ooh. Do you forge? I am from Hearth Home. Look at you, dead. He's my favourite dude. Like I've always loved Volley Bear, and then when he came out, and then actually to find out that that's Volley Bear's brother, I was like, man, I think I'm supposed to main this dude as well. What swayed me over to play Ornn was he's a craftsman, eh? It's your favourite Tula hammer? Yeah, it may not look like a hammer that fell out of space, but yeah, it's a wooden one. I call it hammer. And piece normally takes so for something like this in particular, I can do within a month, but due to how I enjoy interacting with you guys, it does take a bit longer, but hey, it doesn't matter either way because we get to the same result anyway. Thanks, Dark Ventures. I don't have a website, brother. The closest thing to a website I have is Instagram. Thank you, classy little crafter. Yeah, that's about the only website-y thing I have, brother. And the Tui's have flown away. Just heard them. Whew. Yeah, so ideally I shouldn't really be using a chisel this size, but because Tekoteko has been in high demand for the last few months, they had a large back order, and I got an email from them about a day ago, and they've gotten halfway through those orders, so love to see it, but not. Cheer, brother Luke. Yo, Pack, you have a good day too, brother. A one pretzel. Tēnā koe, brother. Ko Broxh tōku ingoa, he uri ahau no ngai tūhoi te arawa. Koe nei ahau e whakapāho atu nei kia koe runga i te hōtaka nei o Twitch. Nau mai, whakapiripiri mai, ki tēnei whakaaturanga. Cheer, bro. I just said, hello, bro, my name's Broxh. I'm from Tūhoi and Te Aroa, which are my affiliated tribes. And yeah, welcome to the stream. And Chur. What is that? Normal landy pine. Okay, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Man, I can't wait for Dacorn and Hamlins to start streaming, eh? Come here, boy! Give me them toes, boy! Wonder what they're gonna play. I assume they will try out Fortnite, but no, Fortnite hasn't been cool since those times. The Samoan and I are both wearing our Ori's money spit. Bro, we haven't used the heater since I got my one, eh? Usually if I'm not wearing it, Mrs. Broxh is wearing it, I'm like, bro, get your own. You had a chance, $30 off, but no. She's like, why, when I can wear yours? It's like, true, but I want to wear it. Fortnite gonna make a comeback. Not here. Not here anyway. Yeah, so they've left TSM. Know what to buy her for Xmas? Nah, it'll be summer by then. Yeah, we were talking because her family does like Secret Santas, and because I've already got what I'm got So we usually get a random name from her side of the whānau. So last year, I got their grandmother. And, bro, I legit got a photo of me, printed it, got it developed, put it in a frame and autographed it. And she's put me up on the wall with all the kids. Like Mrs. Broxh and all their photos and whatnot. And I'm smack dab in the middle. Play some Among Us. Ew, no. Why would I play that? So, I've figured out what I'm going to get this year to whoever I get. So, I'm going to do a calendar of myself in different locations. Now, that's if we're out of lockdown. So I told Mrs. Broxh last night and she goes, you're an idiot, eh? I said, yeah, better than be normal. Because your present idea is boring. Like last year, so I'm not trying to get used, but she had her sister and we got her some chocolates, but we printed out this. So I'm not trying to get used, we printed out that on the top of it. And we wrapped it in like 10 layers of wrapping. And then, yeah, she was getting mad as, and she got to the end and she's like, oh, fuck yous. But we were like, hey, we got you chocolates though. Broxh pillows. Ew. Central Broxh calendar. Hey, that's for the OnlyFans. Yeah, she was not happy when she got to the end of her present. Yeah, I've got it all planned out what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I've got all the ideas, all the poses that I want to do. Here we go. Looking forward to making some banoffee today. Now, my bad if I summon you thunder from saying the B word. There you go. Pop those out. We've submitted an application for a new house to rent as well. It's a 2-bedroom. But it's got a sleep out which will go to Mrs. Brox's sister. But the main thing for me was it's got a lawn. Now y'all know I like cutting grass. I will be Hedge Master 5000 sweat mode activated under the full moon Broxh. And yeah, it's got a double garage so I'll be warm. Hey, bonfire! Thank you for the 17 months banoffee cooking stream. We'll see, because my baby enjoyed making the cake yesterday. Hence the reason why I didn't go live with that. But yeah, if it's just me, then I'll do it. I can feel it. Pooping twice. Thank you for the 6 months, Poopin. If you're new to the stream, I always laugh at like well put together names, eh? I get a bit childish like that. Thank you for the 6 months, Poopin Twice. Project is looking great so far. Thank you very much. Grass cutting stream, here I'll be Grass Bay. Yeah, it sounds good. Like, if we do get it, like, if we do get accepted to rent it, like, the girls can finally have their own room, and I don't have to sleep on the corner of the bed anymore. Why twice, though? It's probably because they probably had a number of, coffee, or the reason why they go twice is because they open the window and they just like to sit in there with the open window. I mean, I do. It's always good when the window's open, eh? Or is it just me? Good fibre in my diet. Hey, Chur misunderstood. Will you paint it? Marvin, so I'm going to stain it, brother. It's far from finished because we still got to design the side parts. Gotta make sure you have a proper dad outfit on, thongs, stubbies. Bro, to be honest, I actually use a lawnmower with jandals on it. Hey, playing in the mud. Thank you very much for the raid. Good morning, good morning. Hope you had a good stream. And welcome everybody that's come through. What were you making today? Hold on, Jet, just trying to get this bit without breaking the whole thing. There you go, got it. That looks mad though. Thanks, Rooster. I've seen it go from wood to epic statue. Thanks, Marvin. That's one of the things I enjoy, is just being able to start from a block of wood and then people get to gradually see it change and take shape. Mostly finishing pieces and opening kilns. Oh, nice. Okay, let me just check out this. So I was having a meeting with one of the bros last night. So he was actually doing a drop-off yesterday in terms of protein. But he ended up parking outside the house, so we had a meeting. So it's only in the talk so far, but I'm pretty keen to see if he's keen to just come and have a carve, eh? I'm not going to say who it is. Only the mods are able to know who it is. Because I put it in the mod thingy last night. Hoping to have someone just come on stream and just have a carve, have a chat. Hello Chesley, I recently moved to Estonia. Feel so lonely because I don't know anyone here or their language. Oh, true, did you move there for work, man? I might go if I've got nothing on. Thank you very much, Mats. Are you Australian or New Zealand? I'm Māori. Yeah, I'm Māori, brother. Hey, 72. Broxh, how you been? Good, brother, good. Just trying to sort stuff out outside of the stream. It can be really hard for myself because I'm not really used to doing that kind of stuff. But man's learning. Just finalised a few papers, and the announcement for the sponsor should be happening really soon. and what we plan on doing. So I've gonna be having a talk with someone else for sponsor as well. Oh well, just talking. They all know my currency is carving, so that's kind of the thing I do. Just telling them what my currency is. It's kind of like the thing I do, I should say. But they enjoy the stream. And yeah, that's how I want to do it. Not go forward like, oh, this is my business plan and all that crap. Is just, let's just have a talk, man. One of the bros taught me that recently. And he's so some of the information he's told me lately has been a bit of an eye opener. Yeah, Fanta. So I'll be looking at doing that at some point, because we went to the same school, so it should be. Yeah, just not really trying to get anything out of it, like. Just if he's keen to come and have a carve. Hey, examine. Good day. Oh no, everyone's found out it's on. Thank you very much, Good Day, for the $20 dono, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. I was working so hard outside renovating a garden. I am so everywhere. Man, I wish I could do some gardening, eh? Well, what happened there? Oh, you just try to link my own channel here. Okay. So the leg's almost done. And then we can move on to the other side. What do you do with these crafts? So I usually do commissions, or just carve it and give it away. So this one's a carve and giveaway to one of the bros. Which bro in particular? Well, can't say. I'm currently on the lookout for some hardwood. Cue the oh my emote for Fanta, which is actually going to be for Fanta as well. Tekoteko, I really want to do one. It's just a matter of trying to find the timber as well, because lockdown, it's a bit hard. Whisper mod, yeah, and go close to their ear as well and say, moist. Sorry, I've been watching Pestily a lot. There you go. There he is. Chur Thunder. Oh my. Bro, I have no idea what that emote's supposed to be, eh? Has wood prices been a crazy high in NZ? No, I haven't really been paying for much timber as of late. It's either, so I've only paid for a few here and there, but it's either pretty much been, I can give you some timber, but can you carve something for me out of some of the timber, please, and you can have the rest. I was like, keen as! I'm down with that interaction. Did you mention cheesecake again? No, I said the B word. Said the B word. So I've yeah, so the piece that I showed you is in terms of that trophy has been confirmed, like they're keen on it. But I might start, since they're keen on the mould that I did, I might start looking at adding a few things to it, like doing different variations of the trophy concept that I came up with, to see if they're keen. Just shout timber and timber appears. Oh, that'll be the dream, brother. That'll be the dream. So in for Whakairo as well, we don't cut down our native trees unless it's fallen down naturally. Then we can mill it, obviously. And yeah, have a few years worth of timber to use. Where I come from, it's pretty much native bush as far as the eye can see. But yeah, they don't fall down much. So usually anyone from home... Oh, did they stream? Because they're on YouTube, eh? Can I like go back and watch the VODs? Because I really want to watch it, eh? I missed it, Ratchet. Because I know they were on at 1 PM or something, eh? The concept, yep. I'll show it again. I showed it last time. I'll just do this leg and then I'll show you what I did. So what they wanted the trophy to represent was flight. I was like, oh, yeah, that's pretty easy. Just came up with a lot of different concepts. Did you watch it, my bro? No, I was trying to figure out what time it would have been. Bro, their return is something I've waited for so long. Pretty interesting they're not in TSM anymore. Showing off their new stream house. Damn, it's probably huge, eh? So is it just them two living together, or is Myth trying to link up with them again? Because I know he got a bit too cool for them, eh? From what I saw. Hold up. Ooh. It's Zora's domain from Zelda. Oh, there's the birds again. What's some other songs you can play? Hold up. Just looking for another Zelda jam to play. Nah, it's a few others with them. Not really here to watch those guys do. Just Hams and Day. Oh, yeah. So I must wonder if Optics with them still. Been a while since I was able to catch the stream. Keep up the vibes, brother. Oh, good idea. Cheers, brother. Brother JJ with the 16 months as well. Much appreciated, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Question for Broxh or anyone in the chat knows. Is that carved part above the shoulder, the jaw? This here. So normally, this is what I like to do. So this is a characteristic that I like doing with my Tekoteko. There's no bottom jaw. Then again, you can have the full face if you want, but personally for myself, I like the aesthetic of this kind of mold. That's just me. All good, brother. Cheer, myth. But cheers once again, brother JJ. Okay, chat. Favorite theme in the OOT game, and I'll play it. Thank you, brother JJ. Appreciate you for being here, brother. Just like everyone else too. Hey, cheer, brother Valine. Kia ora, my bro. Just trying to fully design this leg at the moment, my bro. The shop music. Man, that goes hard, eh? That shop music. Let me just clean up in here. Cheers, Hawk. Thank you, brother. Your favourite candy? Jeez, I don't know, eh? I mean, I like Werther's. Pretty old school. Werther's Originals. I've just always liked Werther's, eh? My grandfather used to get them all the time. And I used to raid the bowl all the time when I slept at his house. When I used to watch Zoids. But it wasn't the Liger Zero Zoids, it was the one with Zeke, their dinosaur. And they used to attach to the core of the Zoid. Was that one? That one was pretty cool too. Alright, let's do this one here. What was that one called? I honestly can't remember. Damn, who was that? That was another one, eh? Oh. It was Sturdy, eh? I knew that name. Hey, stop lurking. Sure, my bro, you did not have to do that. Jeez. You being a tier 3, brother, I mean, stop right there. Thank you very much, brother Sturdy. Hope you and the whānau are well, my bro. You know. But thank you, bro. Honestly, did not have to do that, bro. The grinders in the country, we just gotta wait for Corona. Thank you very much, brother. Have a good day, Broxh. I'm off to eat dinner with the wifey. Hey, have a good dinner with you and your beloved brother. And just make sure, bro, if there's like one last piece of whatever food you're eating on the plate, give it to them. That's something I've learned too. Unfortunately, the answer I'm looking for when I say the same thing to Mrs. Broxh is no, you haven't. But most of the time it's, oh yeah, thank you. I'm like, damn. Doing good, my bro. Hope you guys are good and staying safe. Oh, that's good to hear, brother. You be doing all good, bro. considering the lockdown here, bro, I really want to go for a walk, eh? Like not one just around the block, but a long ass one. Shit. Whether it be on the beach or walking up the bloody hill or something. Feels bad, bro. Don't you ever feel bad for missing a stream? This guy. That goes for everyone else too. If you feel bad for missing a stream, stop there. Don't say that. How's our leg looking from your guys' angle? So the main reason why we cut into the empty sections is just to make the flow of the leg pop out a bit more too. What does Broxh stand for? Me! Nah, it's just because I suck at coming up with original names, eh? And dare I say this in the current time, big fan of WoW, and obviously Broxh is one of my favourite all-time characters within the game. And BROX was taken, so I was trying to be clever and smart and come up with another way to write it. A little Toasty, thank you very much for the sub. Man, toasty cheese sandwich with onion sounds so good right now. Thank you very much, Toasty. So yeah, going back to the so Broxh the Red is one of my favourite World of Warcraft characters. Probably the most badass orc, or well, warrior in the entire universe. Unfortunately, his name's been tarnished by the company itself, so I'm not happy about that. But yeah, we won't go into that. But then again, I like Korg High Mountain, Trag High Mountain, who's the only DK that's ever resisted Arthas, the Lich King's influence, because he became a DK, but man was too OP to be controlled by Arthas. Oh, he's a cow, by the way, Tauren. Who else do we have? Man, there's heaps, eh? Yeah, sorry for going off topic. You know me, no ears, big mouth. Cheer, brother Roham, how are you, my bro? It's the Brimstone himself. Hey, Kalia, how are you? Don't worry, I used the generator for mine. Man, some of those generated names, they hit different, eh? Vertigo, what are you making? So I am doing a Tekoteko, brother. We just finished carving the design in the leg. So I've got to turn them around now. There you go. So I've just got to hit it from this angle now. I'll turn it this way so you can see. Chur Death's Room. Loving the background music. Thank you, Hoobies. Alright. I'm going to leave this one. There. Ayo. Is it quite a bit more difficult to carve the details into a carved surface like that as opposed to a flat one? It can be annoying at points, so like where the two... So because it's round, I'll turn it back around actually to give a bit of explanation. So because the carving or the thigh itself is round, so obviously at the top of where the curved or the round surface is, so normally you have to say I'm here. I need my pencil because my sausage fingers will cover the design. Say I was carving there, and then I went over the centre line within the design and carried on carving, it would break it. So normally with a curved surface you'd have to meet the design halfway and come back the other way, just to avoid breaking it, because it can be a bit of a grain shift. How you doing? Hey, yeah, this music is rad. Cheers, brother Roham. Doing good, brother, doing good. I haven't been able to jump back on Valorant lately to finish my battle pass. I'm almost there, but just been full sending it on TBC at the moment because I've almost hit cap level and I can raid with the boys. Hey, Hamster and Pixie, hello, brother. You do you watch anime? Yeah, brother, I watch One Piece. Yeah, so normally that's what you have to do on a round surface. I mean, there are points within a round surface where you can just go all the way across, but majority of the time it will break. How's the brimstone, brother? I tried brimstone recently. Man, I always keep mucking up the smoke screen when you try and hit the vault boy and locate where you want to put his smoke. Totally understand. I'll be on Sunday night if you want to team up. Yeah, brother, I'll hit you up. What's today? Friday. I'm kind of lost with my days because we're in lockdown. Yeah, the butterfly knife, hey bro. Oh, yeah, I was about to call you Brimstone. Hey bro. Bro, it looks so good. And I'm finally happy that Pokemon Unite has added the Pit-Boy. Yeah. Finally happy that Pokemon Unite has added Blastoise. So Blastoise is finally on the way. I'm so happy, man. I've been waiting for Blastoise since the release. I haven't seen his kit yet, but I tweeted the video without watching it. It was a bit of a save it for later kind of tweet. Heard the AOT music and thought that I clicked the FG stream. Where are you playing on? Marty, so I play on Arugol OCE server, brother. Horde side and Faralina Alliance side. Main reason I went Ally and Faralina is because Isfan invited me over. But I think he's a bit too busy, eh? So and I don't want to ask, can I join the guild? Because I feel like that guy. I know someone on Horde side Faralina, Liara, she plays mage. And I think she's one of the head honchos in the guild Shrouds in. Blastoise was my favourite Pokemon. This man knows his Pokemon. I like him. Greetings from Barcelona. Hey, to Papi. Muñaño. Yeah, pretty much, Marty. Cheers, brother Steady. What do you think about speed running? Oh, it's quite fast, eh? I wouldn't do it myself because I'd get tired, but yeah. But I do want to, like, to the point where I can do like a long stream again, is try and see how far I can get leveling a character from 1 to whatever level I get to on WoW. Sorry to Puppy, I had to do it, but thank you for the sub as well, bro. Haven't had a chance to play Unite because the kids hog the Switch. Fingers crossed we go down a level in lockdown. I hope we don't. Sounds like I'm playing Game Boy. Eesh. What's up, Yif? Hello, Dena. Ahmed Ponce. And Marty again. Cheers, brother. greetings from Costa Rica. Hey, who's Joes or Hoes? Oh, so I should not say that, but garden tool. Okay, let's say that. Yeah, so Liara, she hasn't really messaged on the Discord as of late, but she's one of the head honchos in their guild. Hero, I believe that's their name. I think that's their name. It's a puppy. Nice background music. Thank you very much, brother. Ernesto de la Cruz. Thank you very much, bro. How are you, man? I'm doing good too, my bro. Sorry, brother. I watched Coco last night. Love that movie, eh? The music. Ay, mi llorona. No gonna be la cuesta llorona. Lo deja de. Okay, I think this is the last time we're going to play the village theme, and then I'm changing the music. But I got put in a game with you, someone named Broxh and Valorant. Yeah, it was me, brother. It was me. Who would I would have been playing? Omen. Who was I playing? Brother? I've actually kind of forgotten. So I play a few agents. Thank you, Ernest. Yo, what's up, arcade bro? I won't be staying around long, but I hope you have a nice day. Oh, good, Quokka. You tune in for as long as you want, brother. It's all good. I'll catch you on the rebound, my man. Hello, RB6. You're playing Omen. Oh, yeah, that would have been me. Oh, you were the jet. We on the other side there, and you rolled us, I think. If you were the jet on the other side and you rolled us. Hi, Ernesto. Oh, damn, I just closed my phone, sorry. Yeah, I remember these because we got rolled. Yeah, man, we got absolutely destroyed. Just get this done. I'm still trying to learn how to play GD. She's a fun agent, but man, some of the people that play her, they're cracked, eh? Hey, Chur JT. Yeah, the fun is good, my bro. Just still in lockdown pretty much, so we can't really do much. Can't take the kids out for a walk because it's raining today, or it's lightly raining. What time is it in your country? It is 11:30 in my country. What a song. Yeah, brother. Banger alert, eh? Okay. Because I do. Think, Pisco. Okay. So we've just got one more section on the leg to do. Just got to figure out how to try and do it. 5:27 PM. Oh, nice. Okay, can we get a... Where's everyone from? So shout out your country to see where you're from. It's midnight here. Don't ask why I'm up. As long as you're playing games, I guess. Yeah. Wellington, Greece. Costa Rica, Croatia, England. I'm going to try and read every single place. Belgium. Okay. St. Luke. Canada. Colombia, Australia, England, Croatia, the USA, Edinburgh, Auckland, Germany. Okay, how do I say that? Xanadu? Paraparaumu, New Mexico, USA. Oh, nice. Mars. Oh, damn. They've infiltrated our planet, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to start stealing all our yams. I'm from Madrid. Oh, gee. South Wellington, Argentina, Poland. Lebanese. They're here to steal all our yams. Okay, let me just try and find my 8. Brother boy. Cheers for the sub, my bro. So guys, one thing I was doing last night too was just looking at all the legends on Apex. I think I know a few of the agents that I want to play. Is this Kirby? This is Zelda. Ireland, hey. Snow, ice, melt, water? Thank you for the sub. Cheers, my bro. Oops. The yam is the power that be. Brother boys, so I do commissions and sometimes I'll carve them to give away to people. Like this one's for one of the bros, but he's not in the chat at the moment, so he doesn't know this is going to him actually. So some of the legends I want to play too, so just Valky or Valkyrie. Oh, Marvin. So, Moda, he was the one that started calling me Broxy. Yeah, it's just one of my many nicknames I have. Moda TV, shout out to the bro. He lives in Melbourne, but he's from Greece. What does Broxh mean? So it's just a World of Warcraft character, but his name's Broxh. So I've been told, I think in Greece, in Greek, that it's called, the name Broxh is rain. I thought that was pretty cool. I could be wrong, but that's what the guy was saying in the stream a while back. I could be wrong though, so I do apologise if I'm wrong to our whānau from Greece that's here. In your life? Jeez. in my life. Far out. So I started at 12. Like even when I was 12, I started, like the first sessions, like carving sessions that I ever done was like 7-hour sessions. Jeez, I don't know. Well within the thousands, that's for sure. Yeah, definitely well within the thousands. Good question, brother boy. I did my first OnlyFans stream last night. I got around to my new case fans and my new PC case, so I did a short stream of just the fans. Cheer my bro. Hey, cheer Petchy. My mum is Greek. Oh, nice, brother. Alright. Right. But did you see that new Corsair fan? Ah, it's huge, eh? I was watching some PC builds last night, man. It must get so daunting with those coolant ones when it comes time to install it, because you don't, I'm guessing you don't know if you've done it properly. Have you ever carved ice? Nah. No, 63. Yeah, we don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. So you just leave it there if you want, brother. Even the great carvers of the past made mistakes and they just left it there. Gave it more character. But I mean, it's easy to adjust there. You do one mistake on one side, you do it on the other. And majority of the time, the people that spot out the mistakes are just other carvers. There you go. Anything on Elden Ring today? At that their game thing? Whatever their game awards or whatever it is. Alright, I think I'm done hearing Lab. Oh cool, their video's up, the NRG one. I'm gonna watch it later. Definitely watching that later. Hello Paradox. Yeah, it's me, brother. We always incredibly take a lot of time and effort to learn how to become the absolute god of wood carving you are today. No, I would say I wasn't that good back then. It took a lot of time, and it's still taking a lot of time to refine what I know, I would say. Like I say it all the time, I'm not really good at carving. I will not be satisfied with my work until I know it's good. Like I'm always that guy. It can be better. I'm my biggest critic. Like yeah. So I haven't created the perfect piece in my own eyes yet, brother. I would say one day. But until then, yeah, just keep carving. Just keep carving, brother. Yeah, every day is a learning day, so you can always learn something new. Okay, how am I gonna get this one? Yeah, the day I create a perfect piece in my eyes, I still probably won't acknowledge it. Like, cool, okay, next one. But that's just how I am. Majority of the pieces that I've made, I don't really speak for them. Just how I was told is just you let your piece speak for itself. If people like it, they like it. If they don't, feels bad, man. No. Like even when I've been a part of like galleries, back when I was a student. So the way I just like to appreciate what I've done is by watching everyone's faces, just in the background. That's how I really enjoyed seeing the reaction of everyone. I didn't dress up, I just dressed like everyone else in Assassin's Creed and just watched amongst all the people. Like there's this one lady, she goes, "Oh, this so-and-so person," saying my actual name, has a really good car. I said, "Oh, he's alright, eh? What do you think?" This is how I like to do it. And then it's funny as when they catch on and I just leave. What's the most intricate piece you've ever crafted? Who was it for? The most intricate piece I ever crafted. So as a student in the carving school, everything you carved belonged to them under contract because they're giving you the knowledge that you need. It was a treasure box. It's on my Instagram, a kumete. It took me 4 months to do. In the first month I was lost. I completely didn't know what I was supposed to do. But I was just trying to find ways anyway. And eventually found the process and stuck to it. Because halfway through my second year of upskilling, my tutor that we had at the time didn't want to teach anymore. Didn't want to teach me and two others. He just wanted to teach two boys because they were fast and they were good. But I didn't really care anyway. I just went at my own pace. Dono from Cash. Oh goodness. I would run out of wood. Kumete. What's the most? Yeah, so the most intricate piece I've ever done was a kumete, which is on Instagram. But the main reason why I became a Māori wood carver was to be a restoration carver. So I better acknowledge the bro Cash. What did you do, brother? Thank you for the $10, brother Cash. Much appreciated, my bro. Thank you, brother. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Hey Broxh, hope you're doing well. I'm curious, what did the classical Māori use to carve for kairo before the introduction of iron and steel? So we use stone tools, brother. So those were the main, that was the hardest resource we had. Many types of stones, but two of the main ones that we used, so as a student as well, back in this carving school I went to, we had to make our own ones. Our own stone tool. So we use Pounamu, which is probably the most renowned resource of stone we have, and Grey Wacky River stone. But yeah, those were the two main resources we had. Well, we used, I should say. But even then, you'll spot the difference between a carving that has been done with wood chisels, stone tools, as opposed to what we have today. Info, don't understand what you're looking for. Is it too hard to ask? Must be. Oh, I've done it, Māori. I've done it, but it's not something my heart's in. It's more in Māori wood carving. Like the stone carving side of our people is mean, but my sole focus and heart's always been within this. Yeah, but the same stone as the mere. Hey, Chur brother, huge bloke. How you been, my brother? Gee, haven't seen you in a while, my bro. Well, mind you, I haven't been able to catch Panda's streams as of late. The kids. Yeah, my daughter's all good now. She's been sleeping well. Just taking up my side of the bed now, so gotta sleep on the corner. Or on the ground. Wait, hold on chat, just doing this. Don Swag 1. Cheers for the tier 1, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Cheers, bro. I love learning from you. Ow, good Māori. That's what I'm here for. Just to help people understand what I do. And to have in-depth conversations about food as well. Hint, hint, when we go out of lockdown, hot and spicy. At the moment, New World has been the go-to for the fried chicken. I've been sick for a while, so keep it low-key. Oh, all good, brother. Good to see you looking after yourself, my bro. Yeah, you've been doing good, my bro. With the current lockdown situation again, just staying home, looking after the kids. Who drive me absolutely nuts. We've had to watch Brave 3 times a day, along with all of her other damn programs she enjoys. Yeah, man. Mind you, New World's fried chicken is pretty good. Oh, I should have asked Vagabond if it was safe to play KDA. And Pentakill. Tone Dog. So I'm just doing a Tekoteko, brother. Honestly, just finished carving the leg, my bro. Alright. Well, I think that's done. Face. We up here now. And 7 foot. Far. Imagine being 7 foot. Can only think of it, my bro. Alright. Alright, we're on the other side now, chat. Hey Broxh, on the battle pass of Haka, have you done much for the new weekly missions? I have no idea. I just know I've almost got the knife. And that's all I wanted, just a new knife. Seriously, I tried to make a planter box for my wife and ended up looking like a barbecue that Homer Simpson made. Hey, but that barbecue sold for millions though. I know that episode. The funniest one is when he looks at it and he does that scream, and he starts wasting it. We're over here now. That was a funny episode. You could be onto something there, brother. Considering the episode. Ah, thanks, Marvin. Yeah, Battle Pass knife. Yeah, I don't yeah. I wish I had cooler knives, but I can't do it. I honestly cannot do it, brother. It's not worth, in my opinion, when I can get a overpowered shopping for the price of a bloody gun in that store. Gun skin. So what are you making this time? A Tekoteko, brother? So it's pretty much our three-dimensional figures that we do in our culture. So you can mainly find them as a standalone carving, and majority of the time on our meeting houses. Hey, Podgy, how are you, brother? M. Shane, you are great, mate. Thank you very much for the bits, and I'm alright. Holy cow, is this the Fiddlestick song? What a twisted song. Run. We're taking over. I like that song for words. Oh, all good, brother. Huge work. That's all I'm here for, brother. Just to share. And people can take away from what I share is how much they want. Damn, I wish Vagabond was here so I can ask him if I can play these Riot songs. I might actually make a tweet about it while we're carving, because I would really like to listen to them. Just soaking up linseed within this section here because it's dry. And because it's pine, it has such a ass grain. It sucks, eh? Like the two big pieces I started with when I started streaming, they were pine as well. And I would say that the grain in that timber was absolute rubbish. But with the power of linseed, I overcame it. Yeah, this is isn't it Pantheon? Pantheon's oh, it is too. Okay, let me just make a tweet. So this is going to be pretty awkward because yous are right here. But hey. Kia ora everyone, so I'm just streaming at the moment and doing some work. But I wanted to ask if the world's theme songs from all the League of Legends playlists, like Warriors and Takeover, are those safe to play on stream? Along with KDA as well. Sorry, chat, just had to ask because I like those songs. Hey Broxh, have you ever dealt with addiction? Did you? No, I've never had addiction ever. Like all my cousins, some of my cousins have had addiction like that. I'm so addicted to nicotine. I mean, you could move on to vapes. Eventually start with it, because my cousin did this, a high amount of nicotine and slowly decrease the amount you get. I would say. Maybe. I mean, I'm addicted to well, but I love that. Yeah. But yeah, I would say that maybe. Okay, let me turn the speaker back on. Yeah, that's what my cousin did, and she doesn't smoke at all now. But yeah, in all seriousness, but yeah, that's all. It's just the method my cousin used. Hopefully that could be something you could try that may help. Oof. No, I haven't in Tasium. This is just Set's theme song from League of Legends. I'm getting Hades vibes from it too. Okay, yeah, a little bit too much for me. Time to wind down. Do you play League of Legends yourself? Only a little bit now and again. Hey, Dommy! For a week now, I was because sick, but should be good now, I think. I had to use it as a finish before. Yeah, so I use it as a finish, but also, yeah, just to loosen up the green. Terps is another one, but because of the smell, like, I don't want to use terps too much. Can be a bit too much, because we had to use terps on a big laminated piece of timber, and because they're laminated pieces of wood, the grain would go anyway, because we pretty much sent it to them the way we wanted all the timber to go, and they'd pretty much done the switcheroo on all of it, so it was more of a difficult job for us. But hey, we overcame it anyway. But yeah, there was a point where, because we had to like literally jump on this piece of timber and get down on all fours to carve. Back screaming for days. With the smell of terps as well. But yeah, we smashed it out. 6 months was how long we had. It was pretty easy mode after that. Pretty easy mode after that, my bro. Hey, it's a holiday. Yeah, we had like a MDF. Nah, it's got no grain Fanta. MDF is pretty much mushed up timber. It's like cardboard. You pretty much don't even need a ballot. But it's good practice to practice on, to get used to your chisels, or to your tools in general, I would say. Hold up. Cheers, Ziggy. How you been, brother Ziggy? Hey, chill, low drop. Chill, my bro. To anyone that may be wondering why I keep saying chur, it's like slang for hello. On this side of the world. Okay, I need to fix this. Hold up. Yep. Kid's driving me a little mad, bro. Tell me about it, bro. I wish my kids had a mute button. Especially the big one. She's been having the bloody attitude of doom lately. I'm like, bruh. Gee, Dio, have you climbed out of the hole yet that you dug last night? Is this Minecraft talk? I mean, button would be 10-10. Hold on, chat. I'll just do this row here, then I'll come back to you. Oh, I was supposed to show their concept that I drew for their trophy, eh? Damn, my bad. Hold up. I'll just do this and then I'll show you. Wait. What? Damn green. Almost done chatting, then I'll be with you. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Yes. Okay, what's everyone up to? I'm still shocked. What's that for? Oh, bloke, yeah, it's in the shed, my bro. I still gotta take it out and stain it. I've just been too fixed on other things at the moment. Marvin, hey Broxh, I started watching One Piece yesterday. Your talks from got me into it again. Oh, true, bro. Like from the very start, or are there any tools you don't have that you wish you did? Seems like you don't have as much. How about a chisel? I mean, it's all I need, eh? I'm all good, but yeah, obviously would love some power tools, but at the same time it can be a bit hard because I got nowhere to store them, and I don't live in the greatest place. There's a lot of robberies go around out here, and yeah, it kind of sucks. That's why I'm hoping we get accepted to rent this new house, because it's in a nicer neighbourhood, I would say. What about a chainsaw? Yeah, chainsaw. Sorry, head up still. My love. Oi, there we go. It's not really the hood, but it's starting to turn into a bad place with all the emergency housing around the area. Like with all a lot of gang members are filling it up here, and he's trying to fight over turf. I was like, what is this, San Andreas? Come on, man. Fighting over turf, that's stupid. Grove Street and the Bowlers right there. IRL. Yeah, hence the reason why I've been, like, even, it took me a while to really want to get this grinder, but because I don't have a place to store it, I'll be putting it inside every time. Because I do not want that to get stolen. Like, I've caught a lot of people snooping around here. But I just scared the shit out of them by going out and just shorts and my hair out. Bro, no word of a lie, my socks have been stolen before. It's the worst, man, when you're trying to find some socks to wear. Most of them have got the bobo on it. Bobo of the feet. Like even my Stephen Adams singlet got taken. I was like, are you serious? Yeah. I'm hoping we get it, eh? I'm hoping we get it. Oh, all good, Swift, as long as you're alright, unless you can come in and talk about it. Damn, imagine being confronted by, I'm not even 6'7", I'm sure I'm not 6, no, I'm not 6'7", huge bloke is 6'7", and Stephen Adams. With no shorts on at night, oh, that's silhouette, eh? Third leg. Exalted, yeah, my lockdown's all good. It has been boring in terms of wanting to go for a walk in a different area that ain't the neighbourhood, but yeah, we'll Gotta be grateful that we got a roof overhead. As a lesser, thank you very much for the raid. I hope I said your name right, though. Much appreciated for the raid. What were you streaming? Welcome, my name's Broxh. I am a traditional Māori woodcarver based here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Centre of the bloody universe for myself. Oh, you're doing art. I'd love to see it. Oh, you do wood burning. Oh, hang on. Let me give you a follow. Oh, sorry. Kick the tripod. Big feet. Hold on, I'm just going to give you a follow. Okay, done. Yeah, naturey stuff. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I only just recently started watching wood burning due to one of the bros who does it as well. But it's good to see other wood burning as well on Twitch, not on the stream because you're here. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Hope you had a good stream though. Okay. So I'll just show you what that's come through from the raid. And so this is what we do. Or what I do, I should say. But thanks for the raid though. Really appreciate that. So I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. And so this is a tekoteko, what we call. So it's similar to probably a totem or a statue. So this is what I've done so far from the mould. We just finished prepping the design on this side. So we have the main figure up the top. So the design we're doing as well is called no nahi. Now it represents like fish scales, as you might see. The crescent moon of Maui is another one. And it can also represent the water as well. And it's mainly done by a tribe in the upper half of the North Island called Ngāpuhi. But yeah, this is what I've done so far. I've always wanted to do one on stream, just haven't had the opportunity to. And yeah, we're on the other side now, just starting the other side. Hey, no hands, cheer my bro. Hey, Red Owner, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Cheer my bro. Okay, guys, if he's gonna DM me on Twitch asking what the sub command is, it's just exclamation mark sub. Or you can just ask on stream. Please don't DM me for that kind of stuff. Just ask, don't be shy. And also the music one is LAB, D's, and also Kings. Joe, how's your lockdown? My lockdown's all good, bro, other than my kids almost driving me insane. And yeah, I ended up downloading the old Apex too, my bro. Haven't really started playing it just yet though. Just trying to find time to. Which has been the hard part. OnlyFans. What kind of wood do you use? So most of the time I like to use native timber to New Zealand. But then again, I'll use pine as well. But the best kind of timber to carve is free timber, my man. And I'm not even lying. Cheeru. Can you say for my friend who is watching on his B-Day? Okay. Hell yeah, ladies. And that's for your bro, and he's a dude. Okay. All good, brother. Happy birthday, watch, to the brother. Watch it. Rico's, bro that's watching right now. Chur Whanau, bro. How you, Edu? Hello, Aki Gale. I hope I said that right, brother. Yeah, bro, so I was looking at some of the legends that I might want to play. Obviously, everyone wants me to play Jibby, so I have to play Gibraltar. I'll probably play Valky as well. I call her Valkyrie cause why not? I know a lot of people play Octane as well too, so I might try not to play him. I like going against the grain in terms of unloved characters. Who else? There was one more. Was it Revenant or... I can't remember who the other one was. I had an epic Valkman today. Oh, nice, brother. So she's the one that has like a... She shoots all the missiles, eh? Okay. Hey, Chur AD. Long time no see, brother. This one's using a retro video game market, but has seen it too and crapped his pants. Probably. He's real down with that sort of stuff, eh? Oh, Wraith was the other one. Yeah. But yeah, it's a no-brainer that I've got to play Jibby for the whānau, for the fans here on Twitch. Caustic is fun to play. That's the fart god, right? How long does the normal carving take? It all depends on how much time you put into that carving, brother. Pathfinder seems fun, but I feel like I'll be yelling Spider-Man half the time and not trying to down the enemy team. So I think it's best I don't play Pathfinder because I won't be contributing to the team. What does, what's his name? Revenant's ulti do? I haven't even read into it, eh? I saw some people doing some dirty Loba plays, how they throw the bracelet into those hard to reach places. But nerfed several times, alright. Yeah, I don't really know. I've only ever watched the spotlight on Valky. It stops you from dying but takes half your health. Oh, true, so it's a bit of a bubble, eh? Like a shield for a limited amount of time. For some seconds. Okay, cool. I know Wraith's one is that portal, eh? Octane. Yeah, everyone plays Octane, eh? I call him Coctane. Jump pad, eh? True, AD. True, I mean, judge. So it's like a antiques roadshow for gamers. Yeah, that's what I call Octane, Coctane, or Cockstane. I was giving like names to all the legends. Like Revenant was Anorexic C3PO. That's why I call Valkyrie. Like I've been getting a lot of DMs too, like people saying, bro, I'll carry you to Diamond. I was like, I don't want to be carried, I want to get myself there. They always seem to be loot goblins. Oh no, is that like a thing with Octane players, ninja looters? I'm gonna say that from now on. I hope you think of me when you say it, brother. Octane seen enemy pushes alone and blame team for not being there. Oh, so Octane's kind of like a blame the jungler type of legend. Pretty much. It's everyone else's fault but his? Is that how an Octane player normally thinks? Or is it a where were you guys? It's like, bro, you can't keep up with you. Blade Runner on speed. Have a good sleep there, Dio. Cheer, brother. To the beer store. Hey, Mickey. Is this for real the first three? No. So I haven't done... Oh, first 3-dimensional piece I've done on stream. So I always wanted to do one when I started, but I couldn't. Like, didn't have what I needed. And outrun you all the time. Yeah. It makes sense though that an Octane would say that, but at the same time you gotta remember everyone can't inject themselves and go as fast as Sonic. Can see it now, Jimmy. Wanna slow down, brother? And I was being that guy too. I was looking at some of the skins. Man, Brother Bear looks cool. I saw Train, he's got that skin for Gibraltar. And everyone was buying, you should buy loot boxes. Said me, no thank you. Oh, true, Marvin. Okay, good to keep in mind, I guess. Yo, Tim, thanks for gifting us sub to My Bum Itches. Okay, dude, maybe it needs a wash, but hey. True, no, yeah, I haven't really, so I checked out some of the, what are they? Heirloom thingies? Fire Evidence one is a Hundy Sophie. But yeah, probably not going to be a loot crate, Andy. Unless you can earn them as you level up. I'll just try and play the game first and get good at it before I think about putting money in their game. I'm mature, man, honest. Sure, brother. Hey, ages! What's up, man? Long time no see. Sure, my bro. Things are well, bro. We're currently back in lockdown here, but hey, it's what we need to do to try and get rid of the Delta variant. But yeah, I'm all good. Things have been going pretty chill as usual. Couldn't stream yesterday because I had to make cake. Or had to eat cake, I would say. With my daughter. But yeah, haven't been trying to pump out game streams as much these days. Because obviously the main thing I want to do is share this on my channel. So usually we try and leave gaming for the weekends. Ooh. There we go. But yeah, I really want to try and give Pokemon Nuzlocke a go. Because it looks fun. Hey, sturdy. Broxy the Jibby. Well, I've been playing Apex since the beginning, still don't have an heirloom. Damn, brother. What's the favourite thing in cards? Pretty much all of them, brother. Like, there's not one I put above the other. Thank you very much, brother Sturdy, for the gifted subs, my bro. They went to Gumshield, Daihoon, Catch You Down, it's the bro. Real Banished, and the brother Ages. Yeah. Whoa. Come on, man, this ain't Fortnite. And then Ages Cruiser decides to give 5 as well. They went to Wolfer, Envisi, Lucas, Vijont, and Ryan is very epic and Homer Tech. Thank you very much, brothers. Right back at you. Cheers, my bros. Damn. Sup, Night Clouds? What's up, Stress Kiwi? Naudi, thank you very much for the 5 months too. Hello to you too as well. Hope you're well. Yeah, so depending on if the kids go to bed early, I may jump on. I was supposed to jump on last night, but my oldest daughter was not having it, eh? Like, I don't want to go to bed. It's like, come on, man. She was being really naughty last night. Mind you, been stuck inside the whole time. But you better stop that. The birds are going nuts again. Coming cool for the start. Bite bird. Oh, nice, the red. Oh, brother red, that's good. Yeah, cedar's pretty ugly, eh? Especially when it's dry. Even when you have sharp-edged chisels, sometimes it can be a bit of a dick. Thank you, the Royal Goat. Cheers, my bro. What's that carving? It's called a Tekoteko, brother. It's our 3-dimensional carvings that we do. So Axel, this one is going to one of the bros, so it's going to be a bit of a gift. But the joy I get out of this is finally being able to do one on stream. Man, these birds are going nuts. Every night around 7. Yeah, bro, it's like they find their second window when it starts getting late. And you're like, bro, just go to bed there. Feisty wood. Oh, true, my bro. I might take a break soon, finally, just have a chat with you. But we've been going pretty hard, mate. So I'll just do a few more cuts and I'll probably have a break after this. I remember my tutor, the master carver, he's like, yeah, cedars, or we call it bastard wood, because it can be a bit of a bastard when you're trying to carve it. So, man, true, big true. Big true, man. Damn. Someone needs to change their brake pads. Large confirm. Girthy confirm. Sorry, I'm just being an idiot. The Riot Made playlist on Spotify is safe, brother. It's under the Riot Spotify account. Oh, yeah, so if it's in the Riot Spotify account, it's safe to play. Okay.
Down the same road, attempt to remove that. But when she relapsed, we go back to old Mac.
Riot Games music?
Up and down the same road, attempt to remove that. When she relapsed, we go back to old
No, it's a dud account. Sorry, I'm just looking for Riot's actual bloody thingy. So they say we're allowed, but I'm just trying to find Riot Games' actual Spotify account. Because I know they do collaborations with a lot of artists. Ah, too scared. Not gonna play it. Too scared. Abort, abort. Parachute, parachute. Go to what you know is safe. Recycled Cody in your car. Yeah, I've got some recycled Cody in the shed. Big bugger, big bugger. Got it for $50. Hey, I guess I'm coming to yours. Sorry, chat, couldn't do it. Too scared. Cheer, brother, huge bloke. Shot for tuning in, my bro. Good to catch up with you, brother. Hope the kids listen today, my bro. And have a good one, brother. So let's try and get some of this done before we finish today. Oh. Tweets. There we go. So Broxh, how do you work through making small mistakes versus big ones? So if I made a small mistake, say like yesterday, I did one yesterday. I cut too much of the edge off down the bottom on the mouth. Say this is the edge here, and I took a chip out of the mouth. The easy way to fix that up was just to shave it down, because I had the timber there. As opposed to a big mistake, if I ever, like, say I smacked this off, this whole section here. So I smacked this whole section off here. What I would do to fix it, if I wanted to keep doing this piece, I mean, you can start again, there's nothing wrong with it. But I would do an implant. So just put a piece there, Gorilla Glue here and there, because it's going to be stained, it'll be hard to notice anyway. And just redo it, straight through. Very much. you go. Has the water ever cracked by the cabin? No, not really. I've never really had a situation where it's done that. Oh, these birds are going hard. All right. There we go. Getting all these lines done. What tools do you use? I was interested in trying carving. So within wood carving, there are many tools that you can use. Like, I don't know what you're on about, Barra. It seems like you're talking on your own subject. What was I saying? Tools, eh? So normally with what I do, so like I have a pack of chisels that I've had since 2014. So I've got like 36 different types of chisels, and I don't use them all on projects. It can vary from like chisels to power tools depending on what kind of like wood carving art form that you want to do. Free praise like your friend. Who buys these things? People. Pretty much. Chur sword. I don't know what this barra dude's on about, eh? I work for a company that is 50 million quid. Damn, you better tell their company that your English or spelling or vocabulary is not very good either. Bad investment could be, unless typo air. Are they rich people? Oh damn. They're just people that pay for them. Like they're normal everyday people. I'm not gonna say Taika Waititi bought one of these for $50 million. I mean, I've never sold a carving for that much, but yeah. Are they rich people? Damn. Back to you. What happens when you make a mistake? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. Thank you, chat. Yeah, brother. You just make small adjustments. It's easy fix up too. That's right. I was supposed to show you the concept that I. Yeah, my bro. I see their butterfly knife is in there. Not gonna get it even though I want it. Gonna stay strong, my bro. Stay strong. Chur gave a scholar. Chur, my bro. Back to you. Hello, crew. This is like a free carving for one of the bros. I might fold it. Yeah, it's pretty cool when you're running with it and you're doing all those tricks. It's like, no, just watch the bros use it. I can't do it. Yo, cheerio, just cruiser. Choff for tuning in, my bro, and it's good to see you again, brother. We will see you next time, my bro. What did I do with their paintbrush? Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, I hear someone crying. Let me go and have a look. Hello, Tibbs. Okay, I'll just try and do a few more of these, and I'll show you the concept I came up with. I was supposed to be showing it ages ago. I guess it comes up again. Hey, Chris Bot. Yo, Ryan, I don't think I'm going to play Pokemon Go till time runs out, my bro. I'm kind of bored of it. Unless I get hit up to do raids. I'll just do my daily catch and log off. Getting boring again. Well, the fighting takes its toll. Only waiting to this in my own. Yeah, it's getting repetitive and boring again. And they're taking too long to release Tyrant. Because he's the only reason why what I'm waiting for. One of my favourite Pokemon. That's the one, Randy. That's the one, brother. Have a good lazy day. There's nothing wrong with that. Hey, Daihoot. All the fighting takes its toll. Okay. Alright, how am I going to hit that side? One moment. Does she love me or hate me? Let's do the session to the therapy session, trying to figure it out. Oh, everyone going to sleep. I might have to finish up.
her man, we don't keep what they had. It's disappointing scams of people tricking on their heart to give it back. Or blue and black, it's cold as that. Up and down the same road, attempt to remove that.
Go to sleep, Tibbs. If you're tired, please go to sleep. Do me a favour, look after yourself. It's all good.
When she relapsed, we go back to old Mac. Talks about future, turns to don't want to lose it in just a couple of minutes.
Ah, cheers, Dick Boot. That sort of Friday. I can understand that, yeah. Have many of those Fridays, my bro. Cul-de-sac. And it hurts a lot. Oh, bro. Yeah, just look after yourselves. Try not to watch too late into the morning. To the point where it's almost time to wake up. Look after yourselves too. We're taking over. Go make breakfast. Oh, damn.
Whoa.
Lunchtime. Eh.
For once in my life, I'ma do the shit right. Smoking straight, no Philly. If I can't help with the white, yeah. I've been making silly up the cane, up the sprite, up the hitting, up the ice. If I do this every second night.
Location. That's a new one. I mean, you can ask where I am. That is a much more reasonable way to ask. I've never seen someone try and pull a command like that before. I mean, you can add that as a command and put the Rick Rolled link in. For my class, but I slept in, so I missed my chance. Unlucky else. I'm the kid doing Uis on the driveway. Alright. No, I don't, like, just ask, bro. I don't have those kind of, like, commands, eh? Banking details. Inches, eh. Goof, eh, just being silly now. I'll stop. Just being silly now. I'm just gonna take a break now, so we can talk for now, and then we'll get back into it. Let me just blow my nose. Social security number. I don't think we have those in New Zealand. DMs. Oh, that's a bit out of it, that one. Elementary school name. That's a bit too far to IG or LG. Okay, wife, exclamation mark, waifu. Oh. Whew. How we doing, chat? Oh, my voice is breaking. I'm talking too much. Sock washing schedule. Bro, not gonna lie. I am that dude that'll do his washing on a rainy day and still hanging out there and leave it there. Brox's history. Brox's history. Sure, bro. Hope you have a good day, my bro. Chur the Brimstone. Chur my bro. Browser history now, that's a funny one. That's a funny one. Thanks for sharing your craft. Oh, good man. Yeah. Happy to share. Happy to share. Just thanks everyone for watching. So I'm just going to show you what we've done. So, I was supposed to show you that concept. Yeah, I'll show you the concept I've been doing. Sorry, I had to go into Procreate. So this is kind of the concept that I've come up with. So you can see there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. So yeah, so what they wanted it to represent, oh bloody daughter, was to represent flight, and I've just used 3 feathers as an idea. So you can see there. But since finding out the concept, what I'm going to try and do now is play around with the concept, like even the feathers as well, change the shape up. I might even try and paint them. Or like paint the top of the feathers like white, and then the stem of the feather can be black, and I'll leave the rest as timber. Play with the mediums, see what you can come up with. But yeah, that's gonna be for a competition that they came up with, and it's in November. So I've got the timber. I just need to go get it. It's at one of my family members' house, but because of lockdown and COVID, I don't necessarily want to be that guy and go over and where's the timber? Where's the timber? Okay, just put it on back on chat now. Yeah, so I played around with the whole concept, like from birds to feathers and other like aspects that I could represent. So I did multiple concepts, and they enjoyed that one. We've got a hair flip coming through. Alright. Yeah, so they enjoyed that concept, so I'm going to change it up so it won't necessarily be what you just saw. I'll just play around with the entire concept of the feather. Yeah, we'll see how we go. And I'm going to leave the base blank for them to put their plaques on it and whatnot, and their company name. So yeah, okay, let's do these hair flicks in. Alright. Okay, I think these birds are done. Hopefully I haven't grinded by then. Yeah, if I don't, I'll probably just sharpen up my tools on the stone before I even do it. It'll be all good. Ooh. Just letting my hair breathe. If I don't let my hair breathe. I like the design, by the way. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it simple, but yeah, try and make it intricate too. Like, I don't want to half-ass it. I'm gonna do it as I always do, by going full send and making it as cool as I can. And yeah, the dude said, yeah, keen as, just let me know your prices and whatnot. I was like, is there a limit? And he goes, no. I was like, oh, okay. Alright. Here we go, chat. I just dropped the brick, my older brother got me new whips, whipping Molly, smoking Molly with the new chick. Here we go, chat. Molly, Haka, Molly in my crew shit. All the exes mad, but when it's done, they never do shit. I bruise it, my moves hit when I do spit. Shit, sick, I cool tick with my new fit. Kung Fu Kenny if I do lose it, Hadouken. Kung Fu Kenny if I do lose it. Is there anything in this world other than being cool? Cheers up for the sub, brother. Is that a Velo? What's his name? Velo Home? Wow, I'm sure that's his name. That That dude king me Haka now? Nah, Bolt. I'm the ring girl. Here we go. Cheer for the subs up. Thank you, brother. Good little hair flick in the break there. Woo. Let me just tie it up now. Love to see, mate. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that emote chucked on the shirt with Broxh gives me morning wood, or the morning wood if you will. Chuck that on the shirt. There's a few others as well. I think I just felt my pants tighten. Put the ice cream down. Fanta.
It ain't a race to the finish line. Yeah, we can do it faster or slow in it. Just figure how many know they ain't even gotta know. It's chill. If I tell you I'm gonna get it, then I will.
Like there's a lot of people that do merch in terms of companies coming forward and saying they'll be keen to help. It's a matter of trying to choose the right one. It's been a bit of a hard one because I don't want to be that guy and turn everyone down because I feel like a dickhead. But I've been just asking why you look like a samurai. Nani? What's our Odin stance? Oh no, One Piece. I like Last Samurai. They made it for Katsumoto. Thanks for the lockdown lives. Yeah, all good stuff. Oh, trains joining in an org or making one. Interesting. Yeah, whew. Let me just did a bit of a click in one of those flicks. Yo, Thunders, thank you for the 3 months, brother. Hello, welcome back, my bro. How's it going, man? Hope you're well. All is well, my bro. Just staying home, lockdown here in NZ. It is getting boring now because we can't go for a walk in the bush or anything. Got to walk around the block. But yeah, hope you're well, brother. And cheers, my bro. And hello to, how do I say it? You Four Reef. No, that's the thing, Steady. No one commissioned it. I'm just doing this for the brew. Just cause, yeah. I tend to do that a lot. I just do a carving for the bros just cause. Like even Fanta, when I really want to do them, a toko not to try and get paid, just cause I want to do it. And I want to see if I'm good at carving an eggplant. So I'm going to hide an eggplant on his walking stick somewhere. And he has to try and find it. Chur Whanau. Yeah, he doesn't even know he's getting it either. Yeah, so it won't be all like this is a commission. I'll do carvings here and there where I just want to give them to one of the bros. Tell those birds to hush up. Sure, AD, have a good one. Hey, Kubi. Yeah, I think I'm about to finish up soon as well. I just gotta turn this dude over. Ow. The world will never be the same after tonight. You can't get it on the low. Woo. Hey. I reckon some of the cool things to have in lockdown would be model kit things. I only say that because I was looking at those model kit Zoids again. Those will be good in terms of like just trying to kill time as well. Oh, thank you, Fanta. Yeah, I'm just trying to do it deep so it pops out more. Deep. Cheers, Red. It's good though that we're on the other side now, so we can focus on smashing out this side. So we just got to do this side of the mouth, the arm, the leg, and the bottom of the face, and then we are on to the sides. I usually carve out the eyes for last. I'll do these ones last because I'm not sure what kind of eyes I want to do. Help Me Out by Kings.
3 and 1.
Alright chat, with that being said, that was my sister-in-law, so she might be going to work. So Mrs. Broxh will be inside with the kids on her own, so I'm probably going to finish up soon. You come back for me too. Hey, you know that we fuck this up, right? Like we French kiss. Hey, Hebe! Hebe? Hema! Some of them are all day jobs. Wow, what's the one? What's one model kit that's taking you the longest, my bro? Because I'm assuming you do like the Gundam stuff as well. Jay is here. What's up, brother? No, I've never had an injury in carving, brother. The worst one is probably getting wood chips stuck to my socks, and those are a bastard to try and get off, brother. They're the worst, my bro. No accidents yet, my bro. I've seen some happen though, but that's out of stupidity. Oh, lockdown update. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the cases will keep climbing for sure. Well, with what's going on, I would say Auckland and Wellington will stay at level 4, and they maybe drop the country down to level 3, but anything's possible at the moment. Yeah, man, those are the worst to get off. I'm not a fan of wood chips stuck to my socks because even the washing machine can't get them off. Because you may believe you'll always be my queen. Like I might have lost you, you might have lost me too. It's like all a fake apology. If I come back for you, you come back for me too. Oh, Fruita Boys, thank you very much for subbing, brother. 3 PM the announcement? Oh, right. Thank you very much. Oh, they're gifting a sub as well. Thank you very much, my bro. Kind of what are you working on? This is Pine. Ready, I usually do them myself, brother. Like once every few weeks, depending on the timber. Oh, big robos. Damn, brother. Thank you once again, brother Food. Hi, how are you? Who are you? I'm Broxh. How are you? If it's how are you, I'm good. I'm good, thank you. How are you? If it's who are you, I'm Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori wood carver from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Bro, you better stop that. Stop that. Keep running your mouth like a leaky
me to fight back. Yeah, I think it's time to fight back. Fight back, and it's like that. I got Google love the moon, they all about that.
What be the hell do? That vocab, my man. Alright, I think it's almost time for me to finish. Because I don't want to leave Mrs. Broxh with our kids. They've been a bit much lately with the lockdown. What have you done with the real Broxh?
Keep running your mouth like a leaky faucet. You better stop if you stop that. Before with your my deposits and get you lost in the
Alright, let me just do this.
Don't be fooled by the smile. I ain't hit a fool in a while. Might be time for me to fight back. Yeah, I think it's time to fight back.
Fight back, fight back.
Look left and right. Every labor for a PM ride. Hit the block with the DM slide.
We'll finish this mouthy and then we'll call it a day. Since I'm almost there.
With the 3P. Hit him in the cheek to the teeth leak. Someone call the police for a DC.
Oh, we'll get it prepped anyway for tomorrow. No, I don't know if I'm allowed to stream on the weekends, actually. If not, then I'll just game at night. Or carving anyway. Woo. Hold up. Here we go. But you better stop that.
Keep running your mouth like a leaky faucet. You better stop if you stop that. Before with your my deposits and get you lost in the fight again, you gon' fight back.
Don't be cool for the smile.
I ain't hit a fool in a while. Might be time for me to fight back.
It was funny though that Andrew Hipkins, whatever his name is, so when they had the COVID update yesterday, so he goes, hope everyone's well. And yes, after what I said last interview, do I get any royalties out of that with everyone making money off me as a meme? And the whole cabinet just started laughing, eh? It was like, oh, a legend for the lockdown mob, right? Lockdown legend right there. Alright. Yes, I definitely did my break. As far as they could go. It'd be awesome for a carving shoot tomorrow. Take the day off. Yeah, so I'll ask Mrs. Broxh. We'll see what she says. But ideally, I would like to carve tomorrow. But our kids have been a bit much as of late with the lockdown. Just been stuck inside, eh? Hence the reason why I made cake yesterday, just to get it distracted, get the mind going. And I want to make a banoffee today. So I'll probably, I mean, you can use like shoe polish if you want, briar wax, stains. It's totally up to you at the end of the day. I will most likely use a stain. Ideally what I do with the briar wax is mix it with tips. Alright chat, let's move this up. That is going to be us for today, chat. Yeah, I don't really want to leave Mrs. Broxh inside with the kids on her own, with them being, did you say banoffee? I most definitely did, my brother. Yeah, I've been hanging out for banoffee lately, so I thought I'd make one. Been crazy hot lately. Oh, I bet, brother. Yeah, so I'm going to call it here for today. We have cut out the main parts of the mouth. If we get to tomorrow, we'll carve again. But it's all dependent on Mrs. Broxh, if she needs help. Because yeah, they've been a bit much lately. I mean, if I don't get to carve tomorrow, I'll just play games tomorrow night.
eyes on me.
For banoffee. Bro, I love banoffee. If it ain't cheesecake, it's banoffee, man. Those are my top two. Okay, so let's look for someone to raid. I'm probably gonna finish stream and watch Dacorn and Hamlin's video on YouTube. And once again, a lot of people on today. Hey, I might raid the bro. Okay, I know who I'm gonna raid. So this guy, I don't know where I was going with it, but anyway. Should we raid something different outside of the bros? Just having a look. Shot for the stream, bro. Oh, good, right? Yeah, I probably won't be playing much Pokemon anymore. I mean, I'll do the odd login here and there. But other than that, I think I'm bored of the game again. See what this fella's up to. Hold on. Man, the internet's really slow for me today. I just want to see what he's up to first. Okay, his stream froze. Never mind, never mind. Genshin Impact art. So the problem I have every day figuring out how to raid because I follow too many good people. 69-hour stream charity. Okay, I'll raid him. Alright, Planet. Got the person I'm gonna raid him now. Oh, there's a Tui. Let me just punch his name in. Alright, Fanta, that's me. I'm gonna call it here for the day. If I get to carve tomorrow, I get to carve tomorrow. If not, then you will most likely see me on later that day. Probably, yeah, I'll probably jump into Apex. Like, I have to buy Valkyrie or Valkyrie. So, yeah, I'll probably, until then, and I'm still trying to figure out this whole Nuzlocke thing. And how we're gonna set it up on the stream. So until then, see you later. Have a good one. And don't forget to spread your legs, because lockdown, as Hipkins would say. And, yeah, I'm gonna eat banoffee. And you can't. See you later. Bye-bye.